Hello my dear students, this particular video is gonna be all about our revision for PA1 exams. This chapter, Learning to Share, would include all the pages from book A as well as book B. So without any delay, let's get started about the chapter. As we have discussed the story in our live session, I would like to give you summary about the chapter. The chapter was all about four sisters who were learn how to share their things with others. At the very beginning, we came to know about that they were four in number and they have decided to gift something on the occasion of Christmas to their mother, and they were four in number. So one of them decided to give a nice pair of glove, other decided to give handkerchief, someone shoes, and the other cologne. And the meaning of the cologne is perfume. Don't forget, the meaning of the cologne is perfume. So in turn, their mother on the morning of Christmas gifted them with a beautifully covered books, right? So the color of the books were different for each of the child. Okay. Now at the end of the chapter, we came to know about that their mother asked the children to share their breakfast with a poor family who were not able to manage food since couple of days, right? So they went to their family and shared their breakfast, and this is how they learned to share their things. Okay, so these questions you would learn. Okay, afterwards vocabulary junction I will describe. These include abstract and concrete noun. Abstract nouns are those nouns that one can feel and think about but cannot see, hear or touch. You cannot touch, you cannot see and hear when they are abstract nouns. Examples of abstract nouns are feeling of happiness, anxiety, crying, right, anger, furious. So these are the examples of abstract noun. Now concrete nouns. Concrete nouns include all those things which one can see, hear, taste, smell and touch. So those objects which are visible to our eyes, which we can touch, feel, sense, hear, includes the concrete, come under the category of concrete noun. Examples could be shoes, your vehicle, mobile, your books, all the things that you can see, hear, touch, smell. Okay, so this is the concept of abstract and concrete noun. Now other many more examples of abstract nouns are childhood, honesty, delight, sadness, strength, dream, pride, curiosity, friendship, bravery, envy, imagination, kindness, anger, wisdom, love. So these all words are under the category of abstract noun, as one is not able to touch, feel, sense, taste, right? These things are not visible to one. Okay, for example, pool is concrete because you are able to see the pool, but fear is abstract because you are not able to touch someone's fear. You can only see, right, on its face, but you cannot touch the fear. So it's the abstract noun. Okay, in this page you have asked to unscramble these words, so please unscramble these words as per your perception. Okay, this is all about your vocabulary enhancement. Now the other includes the concept of will and may not. I would like to discuss about this topic in detail after few moments. Okay, and don't you forget to write this at your own, because I have included this writing part in your PA1 exam. Imagine you went camping with your family one night. Write about your experience using sequency word. In this particular question, you are asked to write your experience about night camping with your family, making use of sequency words. Now sequency word includes after, before, soon, meanwhile, first, then, later. These all are the sequency word. You are directed to make use of these words in order to share your experience. Now next is grammar junction. Include the concept of may and will, right? You make use of will and may, both are helping verbs. Firstly understand this, okay? You use them to talk about the future. There are various situations in which will is used. Will is basically the auxiliary verb which you use to talk about future things. Now situation, when someone is willing to do something, right? Situation. To predict the future, when we ask or request someone, when we order someone to do something for us, when we state facts, to talk about a possibility, certainty. These are the situations where we make use of will. Okay, now we will talk about may. Now may are basically used in the situation where something is possible, where there are probabilities, when we comment or ask a question, when we are supposed to express a wish or a hope, when something is possible. So these are the situations given on page number 100. Then when you are supposed to make use of will, and when you are directed to make use of may. Okay, so here on page number 101 some exercise have been given to analyze and check your understanding about the concept of may and will. Okay, now learning to share, book B we have started. This is all about your writing part to check your English language, right? So you would write these questions at your own. Here I would like to share the concept of abstract noun again. Now fear, pain, joy, truth, bravery, pain, anger. These all are the words which we are not able to touch, not able to see. We can only experience them. We cannot touch them. Now here in the second question, you are asked to make use of these words in order to make sentences at your own. This is phonic junction. This is the make use of will and may. I have cleared the concept of will and may to you few minutes back. Okay, writing junction. This is the sequency word. You are making use of will and may to complete this paragraph, and this paragraph was all about your visiting to a one day to see all around how you have experienced your visiting about the outer space. So this was all about. I will share these answer key on teachers group. Do not forget to check it. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding chapter 1 from book A and book B, you can have direct contact to me. So students, start preparing for your PA1 exams and take care. Bye.